Introducing OneUp Drones, a proud subsidiary of American Infrastructure Group. In the world of construction, precision is key. Every inch counts, every detail matters. That's why at OneUp Drones, we're soaring above the competition, quite literally. OneUp Drones is your trusted partner in construction innovation. With cutting-edge technology and expert pilots, we're changing the game, one flight at a time. Today's construction projects are becoming increasingly intricate, often accompanied by tight deadlines and demanding work conditions, covering vast expanses of land that can be dangerous and difficult to reach. These endeavors render traditional surveying methods inefficient, costly, hazardous, and prone to errors and rework. OneUp Drones offers custom-tailored solutions that satisfy your specific requirements and needs, facilitating a significant leap forward in efficiency, accuracy, safety. Say hello to efficiency, accuracy, and unparalleled insights with our drone services. From comprehensive aerial mapping to detailed 3D modeling, including advanced techniques like photogrammetry and LiDAR scanning, we provide you with the tools to visualize your project like never before. But it doesn't stop there. With our multispectral imaging capabilities, we're not just capturing visuals, we're analyzing the health of vegetation and offering tailored solutions for vegetation remediation. Our drones are also adept at measuring stockpiles with precision, saving you time and resources. And when it comes to earthwork, our cut and fill analysis ensures optimal terrain management. Experience your construction project like never before with our FPV construction fly-throughs. Immerse yourself in a virtual tour of your site, gaining valuable insights from every angle. But what sets us apart is our ability to integrate various drone datasets with construction planning datasets. By combining aerial imagery, LiDAR scans, and construction blueprints, we offer a holistic approach to project management, ensuring seamless coordination from start to finish. To learn more, visit our website at oneupdrones.com, email us at info@oneupdrones.com, or give us a call. We would love to hear more about your project. Don't miss out on the future of construction. OneUp Drones, elevating construction, one flight at a time.